Welcome to Think Better. My name is Joseph, and today I'm going to talk about a topic that could change your financial future forever, just as it changed mine. Let me start by asking you, have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others struggle to make ends meet? Is it luck, a secret formula, or is it something deeper? I'll tell you something I've learned over the years. Wealth isn't just about earning more. It's about thinking differently about money. In this video, I'm going to reveal 25 powerful money secrets that rich people use. These are not save 10% of your income tips. Instead, these are mindset shifts, strategies, and actions that can put you on the path to financial freedom. Let's start with a little personal story. In my 20s, I was stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, always without money. One day, I went with a friend to a book fair and bought a book that changed my financial life forever. Up until this point, no matter how hard I worked, it seemed like I would never get ahead. Then, I started to notice patterns, habits that successful people had that I was completely ignoring. I implemented just a few of these secrets, and within a few months, my financial situation began to change. So, grab a notepad, because this video is packed with practical tips, examples you can relate to, and the kind of advice that can change your life. By the end, you'll have a roadmap for moving from a mindset of scarcity to one of abundance. Let's get started. Secret number 1, pay yourself first. Wealthy people prioritize themselves, saving before they spend. This creates the habit of consistently increasing their wealth. Automate 20% of your income to go straight into savings or investments. Start with 10% if money is tight, and gradually increase it. This is one of the most important secrets, and that's because it is the number 1. Secret number 2, invest in assets, not liabilities. Assets, such as shares or rental properties, generate income. Liabilities, like a luxury car, drain your wallet. Before you buy something, ask yourself, will this make me money or cost me money? Secret number 3, leverage compound interest. Compound interest makes your money grow exponentially over time, but you need to start as early as possible. Open an investment account and contribute a fixed amount each month. Even $50 a month compounds significantly over decades. Secret number 4, diversify income streams. Depending on a single source of income is risky. Millionaires usually have several income streams, such as businesses, investments, and royalties. Start a side business or explore passive income options, such as renting out a room or selling a digital product. Secret number 5, avoid lifestyle inflation. As income increases, many people start spending more on luxury items. Wealthy people avoid this trap. Create a budget that allocates extra income to investments or paying off debts rather than improving your lifestyle. Secret number 6, read books on finance. Wealthy people learn throughout their lives, and books provide valuable information. Commit to reading one personal finance book a month. Start with classics like The Millionaire Next Door or Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Secret number 7, avoid debts that don't pay you back. Credit card debt and high-interest loans are wealth killers. Wealthy people use debt strategically, like leveraging a mortgage into a rental property. Start by paying off the debt with the highest interest rate. After paying it off, redirect that payment to the next debt. Secret number 8, control every dollar you spend. Wealthy people know exactly where their money goes. Keeping track of expenses can reveal spending patterns that you didn't realize were draining your wallet. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to categorize your spending. Set limits on non-essentials. Secret number 9, don't be afraid of failure. Wealthy people see failure as a learning opportunity. Taking calculated risks often involves a few stumbles along the way. Reflect on past financial mistakes, write down what you have learned and how you will avoid repeating them. Secret number 10, create a passive income stream. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort, such as dividends, royalties, or rental income. It is a fundamental pillar of financial independence. Start small. Buy shares that pay dividends or create a digital product that you can sell online. Secret number 11, keep an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses can derail financial progress. An emergency fund acts as a safety net and prevents you from relying on debt. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Automate savings in a separate account dedicated to emergencies. Secret number 12. Practice gratitude to avoid overspending. Gratitude changes your mindset from "I need more" to "I have enough." This helps you curb impulse purchases and focus on meaningful goals. Keep a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you are grateful for every morning. Secret number 13. Delay gratification. Wealthy people have mastered the art of waiting for rewards, focusing on long-term gains rather than immediate pleasure. Before making a non-essential purchase, wait 48 hours. If you still want it after the waiting period, then decide if it's worth the cost. Secret number 14. Maintain health to maintain wealth. Health has an impact on productivity and financial success. Wealthy people invest in their physical and mental well-being. Schedule regular exercise and healthy meal preparation into your week. Treat them as non-negotiable, like a financial commitment. Secret number 15. Develop a growth mindset. Rich people believe that they can improve through effort and learning, seeing failures as opportunities for growth. Identify a skill that you have avoided due to fear of failure and commit to improving it step by step. Secret number 16. Keep a low profile. Many wealthy people don't flaunt their money. They live below their means and avoid unnecessary attention. Avoid upgrading your lifestyle for the sake of appearances. Concentrate on building your wealth discreetly. Secret number 17. Stay persistent. Building wealth takes time, and wealthy people remain consistent even when progress seems slow. Set small, achievable milestones to celebrate along the way. This keeps you motivated towards the long-term goal. Secret number 18. Make your money work for you. The rich use money as a tool to generate more wealth rather than leaving it idle. Instead of leaving your money in a low-interest savings account, explore higher-yielding options such as index funds, ETFs, or real estate investments. Secret number 19. Be generous. Wealthy people understand that generosity creates goodwill, connections, and satisfaction. Dedicate a portion of your income to charity or community initiatives. Start with something small, like volunteering your time or making a donation to causes you care about. Secret number 20. Set clear financial goals. Wealthy people set specific and measurable goals to guide their financial decisions. Write down 3 financial goals, such as saving for a house, creating an emergency fund, or reaching a retirement goal. Assign deadlines and action steps for each one. Secret number 21. Keep learning about money. Wealthy people treat financial literacy as a lifelong journey, always keeping up to date with trends and strategies. Dedicate 30 minutes a week to reading financial blogs, listening to podcasts, or watching YouTube channels focused on personal finance. Secret number 22. Value time over money. The rich understand that time is their most valuable resource and avoid wasting it. Identify habits that waste time, such as excessive use of social media, and replace them with productive activities such as learning or networking. Secret number 23. Stay consistent. Wealth is not built overnight. Wealthy people stick to their financial plans through the ups and downs. Create a weekly financial habit, such as reviewing expenses every Sunday, to stay on track and build momentum. Secret number 24. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. The rich know that building wealth requires patience and effort, not shortcuts. Research well before committing to any investment or business that promises unrealistically high returns. Secret number 25. Celebrate victories, big and small. Wealthy people understand the importance of recognizing progress in order to stay motivated. Reward yourself for reaching important milestones, such as saving your first $1,000 or paying off a loan. Keep the reward reasonable and in line with your financial goals. If there's one conclusion to be drawn from this video, it's that building wealth isn't about luck. It's about habits and mindset. Imagine what your life could be like in a year's time if you implemented half of these strategies. I'll tell you a personal example. 5 years ago, I had a lot of debt and was frustrated with my financial situation. When I started applying these teachings one by one, things started to change. I started controlling all my expenses, prioritizing investments, and surrounding myself with people who inspired me to do better. Today, I'm not just financially stable, I'm thriving. Now, it's your turn. Which of these secrets will you start with? Comment below and let me know. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Before I go, here's my final thought. Wealth isn't just about having money. It's about freedom, security, and the ability to live life on your terms. Keep pushing, keep learning, and remember, the journey to financial success begins with a single step. Until then, keep thinking better, living better, and growing richer, one step at a time. See you in the next video.